Hey, good afternoon, guys. Just checking in with another fairly quick installment. My girlfriend and her daughter just left here a short bit ago to do a tour of McGill University. We came back a short while before that from the Atwater Market. We were down there on Saturday, and I saw some neat stuff, so I wanted to go back while we had time today and pick up some stuff. So, anyway, because I don't get a chance to come here in a car, I'm always here in a rig. But at the market there, unbelievable places they've got there. I'd heard about these, and I saw them there, and I had to get one. I don't know if we have these in New Brunswick or not. It's a cronut. I don't remember how much I paid for these. I think it's a croissant and a donut put together, and there's filling inside. So stopped and had one of those the other day, along with some of the most amazing pizza I've ever had. I had to go back today and not drop them on the ground and pick up a few more to go home with. So the other thing I saw there, and again, I don't know if we have this available in New Brunswick or not, is some hot sauces, and they actually came with warning signs. Now, I don't like hot sauce. I don't like spicy food. You know, to paraphrase something Rhett and Link might have said, the spiciest thing I like is a potato. You know, my girlfriend and her daughter eat vindaloo. I find that way too hot. I don't really use Tabasco sauce very much, and I had to make some notes here. By comparison, their red flagship Tabasco is 2,500 to 5,000 Scoville units. And it's just too warm for me. But anyway, I figured I'd pick up some of these, maybe do a video with them just for shits and giggles. Pun intended, I guess. And some of the guys on CWS they were telling me about some of the different ones. I took some pictures and posted them, so anyway, I'm going to use my reading glasses, because again, the old eyes, the near vision is going, so I picked this up. Actually, one of the guys mentioned this, and actually I thought the girlfriend and her daughter might like this too. Now this is Valentina salsa. It is Mexican hot sauce. This is the extra hot. And I checked online, and this stuff is rated around 2,100 Scovilles. So we haven't even opened it yet. I'll pop the lid off this. And mind you, I don't know if I've got a sinus going on or what, but my sniffer is still not working real great. So I'm not getting very much off that. Again, like I said, I don't know if I've caught cold, if it's just my nose is from going to the concert that we just saw Slayer last night or what. But anyway, that's not supposed to be too bad. Now another one that I saw there, and the guys actually passed comment about, and I wouldn't normally buy this, is called Ass Blaster. This stuff, they actually have a picture, a sign up. This stuff is rated at 400,000 Scoville units. I haven't even opened this yet, so you can see I paid $25 for this, and like I said, it comes in an outhouse, and it's got a recipe for Ass Blaster border beans on one side, and on this side, Southwest Specialty Food Incorporated. We strive to integrate innovative and practical ideas into our food, into our product packaging. Ass Blaster hot sauce packaging is a faithful replica of the actual antique outhouse. It proudly stands in place of honor at the entrance of our Arizona headquarters. Be warned and be prepared. The Ass Blaster is not for the uninitiated, and has well earned its highly esteemed name among connoisseurs of quality condiments. So, very cool. I had a box of meat in China. Wait, it's got a little latch on it. We'll give this a quick open up and see what we get inside. Very cool. So we'll just slide out the insert. Okay, now this is a 5-ounce or 148 milliliter bottle. Habanero peppers, yada yada yada, spices, usual stuff. So let's see if I can carefully, I don't want to ruin the label, so try and take the guys said about this, and they've said it has earned its name, Stay Close. By the way, my friend, I don't speak French very well, Lavrac de Marche is the store that we picked this up at, as far as I know. So. Yeah, sniffer's still not working real good, so unfortunately it's not very dramatic, but have an ass-kicking day. So, yeah, I'll be looking to give that a try soon. I don't know how I'm going to do it yet. There's so many videos out there. Everyone seems to do it with hot wings. You know, I don't know. And like I said, I don't like spicy food, so I'm going to suffer dearly. So let's put that in perspective. So that ass blaster is rated at 400,000. And according to the online, the red Savina Habanero is rated between 350 and 575,000 Scoville units, which is, well, you figure if Tabasco is 5,000, this stuff is north of 350,000. You can do the math. You know, Tabasco's child's play compared to this. Now, one of the hottest ones they had there is called Vicious Viper. This is a 5-ounce, 147, 148 milliliter container. I paid 16 bucks Canadian for it. It's got the little chart on the side. Extra hot. It's got a little thing here. If you think you know, if you think you know hot sauce, think again. You don't know hot until you've been bitten by the Vicious Viper. Vicious but delicious. The young guy working in the store told me about this. One drop and he was in severe pain for a long, long time. Ass blaster hurts for 5 minutes and then it subsides. This stuff hurts for longer, and of course we all know what happens the next day. We don't need to get into that. Some of these stuffs are appropriately named. So, try and pull this off without ruining, because I still want to get this home and give it a try. So again, this is rated at 2 million Scoville units. Put this into perspective, and if you've ever watched Red and Link, Good Mythical Morning, amongst many other people. First We Feast with Sean, and I can't think of his first name, does various episodes doing this as well. Between the Trinidad Moruga Scorpion and the Carolina Reaper. The Carolina Reaper, as far as I know, is the hottest pepper in the world right now. They're rated between 2 million and 2.2 million. Your standard pepper spray is rated between 2 million and 5.3 million Scoville units. Cappus casing in its purest form, from what I can figure online, it's doing. It's rated at 16 million, so. Very liquidy. So I wish my sniffer was working, because I know that stuff would be. But like I said again, I gotta go see the doctor when I come back. I've had this thing for the last couple of weeks. I don't know. Yeah, last week or so. I don't know if it's my sinuses or I might have a sinus infection or what, but I don't know. But anyway, we will be giving this a try. Not today, because we have about 1,000 kilometer, a little less than 600 mile drive to do tomorrow. Leaving here at about 5 o'clock in the morning Atlantic time, I guess. So my girlfriend's already said they're leaving without me if I do this stuff. So this will wait first until I'm home. Secondly, when I've got time and I'm feeling better. And thirdly, when I'm near appropriate facilities. So anyway, guys, again, just a fairly quick update, just a future idea of something I'm probably going to do. Why not? There's enough other people out there doing it. What's one more jerk taking a dab at 2 million Scoville units, which is beyond, like I said, for someone who doesn't even like basic Tabasco sauce, and then to do something stupid like this and pay, what I say, $16, $17 for it. I don't know what the hell I'm thinking, but what the hell, it'll make it for entertainment. So anyway, guys, that'll do it for this quick update, and we'll do another one later on. So you guys take care, and thanks for watching. We'll see you again later on.